Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the long-lasting chew, which is for small and medium dogs. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like here. So let's open this up, and it looks like a little anchor. And it says it's bacon flavor, and it definitely smells like bacon. So this is what the box looks like, and this is what it looks like here. It's like an anchor, and it's a very hard plastic. You know, it's not like what super chewing. But let's see if my little puppy here likes it. Let me pick you up. Come here, Benny. Oh, I have the smallest, cutest little dog who just had her spaying, so I'm not sure she's going to be too interested in anything. The moment you smell that? Oh, she's licking it. Yeah, she's a little tired, so she's not going to be interested in anything. And I have the donut thing for her. She just got it off, so she doesn't even know what to do. But this is a really cool looking thing. I like anchors. I like nautical stuff. So for me, this is cool. Nice to have something like this around the house just for that. And I think she's going to love chewing on this because she likes these little chew toys. It smells like bacon. Thumbs up.